So this is now the chili that we are going to make as a pesticide. This is about 150 grams of chili. The things that we need to make a chili pesticide is, number one is the chili, next is the liquid soap, next is 1 liter of water, and the hand sprayer. The next thing that we need to do is to cut the chili into smaller pieces. The water, and the chili, and let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just an appetite booster or an ingredient to some delicious delicacies. It has also a pesticidal properties that helps get rid of ants, aphids, podweevil, blister beetle, caterpillars, diamond blackmouth, scale insects, whitefly, and leaf cutting insects. Okay, the chili has been boiled for about 15 minutes. We will just let this cool for several minutes. Okay, so this has been cooled. We will then add the liquid soap as a sticking agent for this substance to stick properly in the leaf when applying these pesticides. So our chili pesticide is now ready. This is best applied early in the morning and late in the afternoon, once a week. Remember that using organic pesticide is more economical, more sustainable, and more healthy.